Tired of hunting for the export button in Cloudflare? I will show you exactly where it is so you can back up your DNS in seconds. No more wasted time clicking around in confusing menus. You just want to get your records out and move on with your day. And that is exactly what we are going to do. So here is the plan. We will log into your account, select your domain, navigate to the DNS section, and export everything with just 2 clicks. It is that simple. Let us go. Start by opening your Cloudflare account. Just head over to cloudflare.com and log in like you normally would. Your dashboard will load up, showing all of the domains you have connected. This is your home base. And here is the really important part. Make sure you are logging into the account that actually owns the domain you want to export. If you have multiple accounts or teams, it is easy to log into the wrong one. So just double check that before we move on. Now click on the domain you want to work on. Just find it in the list and give it a click. You will be taken to that domain's overview page. This is where you can see all the settings and analytics for that specific site. And I want you to notice something here. Each domain in Cloudflare works pretty much independently. So if you need to export records for multiple domains, you will have to repeat this process for each one. But doing one at a time keeps everything clean and organized. On the left sidebar, click DNS. This is probably the section you deal with the most if you are managing your domain's traffic. The DNS panel is where all the magic happens. Your A records, your CNAME records, your MX records, everything lives right here. And once you click on it, you will see all of your DNS records laid out in a nice table. This is your complete list of everything your domain uses to connect to the internet. Then click the Records tab. Now, your DNS panel might already be showing your records by default, but if you have other tabs like Analytics or Firewall, you want to make absolutely sure you are on the Records tab. This is where the export button actually lives, and I have seen people get confused here because they think they can export from the Overview page, but you cannot. You have to be right here on the Records tab. So just click it and you are good to go. At the top, click the Export button. You'll see it right above your list of records. It looks like a small download icon with the word export next to it. And this is the button you have been looking for. Just give it a click. A small confirmation window will pop up asking if you are sure. This is Cloudflare's way of making sure you do not accidentally download something you did not mean to. So just click that export button again to confirm. And just like that, your browser will download a file. This is a simple text file with all of your DNS records in a standard format. You can open it in any text editor, you can import it into another DNS provider, or you can just keep it safe as a backup. The whole thing takes less than a minute. So now you know exactly how to get your DNS records out of Cloudflare fast. No more digging through menus, no more frustration, just 2 clicks and you have everything you need. If you found this helpful, drop a comment and let me know. And I will see you in the next tutorial.